Hi there, Kaiju hobby fans. I'll be doing an unboxing video for the comparison of the HUINA 770 Scania, and it's a 1/18 scale, and we'll be doing a comparison for the 1/16 scale Cascadia. So this is what it looks like inside, and it's a 1/18 scale with its accessories. And here's the remote. Here's the remote, and it looks beautiful for its size. So I'll be doing a test run soon, so hope you like it.